It was almost 2 a.m. when a man decided to walk home through quiet city streets. The night was unnervingly silent. The only sound, his footsteps echoing in empty air. That's when he saw someone ahead, a tall, thin man in an old suit, moving strangely. He wasn't walking exactly, he was swaying, almost like he was dancing. The man tried to ignore him and kept walking, but as he got closer, he noticed the figure's face. The man was, grinning, a wide, unnatural grin that stretched from ear to ear, his teeth glinting like they didn't even belong in his mouth. The smiling man stopped moving and tilted his head, staring right at him. The man froze, his heart pounding. Then, with a horrible, jerky motion, the smiling man sprinted towards him. His movements were wrong, like a broken doll being yanked forward by invisible strings. The man bolted, his legs burning as he ran. He didn't dare look back, but the sound of those uneven, shuffling steps kept getting closer. Somehow, impossibly, the smiling man was gaining. He reached his apartment, slammed the door shut, and locked it. His chest heaved as he stared out the peephole. Nothing. Relieved, he turned the lights off and sank into bed, trembling. But as he started to drift off, he heard something. The sound of his front door opening.